Hi guys, it's Lucky, and today I'm going to be reviewing and showing off my Trixie Cosmetics makeup, the I'm Baby collection, and it came in this box, and when I opened it up, it was in cute little packaging, which I unwrapped, and it came with this little card saying thanks for the purchase, which I'm going to put up on my cork board because it's really cute, and these stickers, which I'm going to put up. I'm going to put on my computer because they're super cute. And then I put this glitter on the middle to blend marshmallow in. And I have Skipper on the bottom. So if you want to see my opinion on the makeup and how I did the look, keep on watching. Okay, so I started with my eyelids messily done so I can get into the makeup. So it came with this, which I will be unboxing at the start. And I got a bunch of stuff, and I got the I'm Baby bundle, which comes with baby doll and marshmallow and Skipper. And I also got Buffy, because I had everything in the I'm Spooky bundle, not the stickers, obviously. And I'm going to put these on my things so they won't go to waste. I think they're adorable. So I'm going to grab Marshmallow, and I'm going to grab my little finger, and I'm going to put that right in this part of the eye. Oh my gosh. The glitter is so pretty. And then I'm going to use Baby Doll as the glitter I'm going to put in the inner corner and to blend the marshmallow into the eye. Also, I used white face paint for my crease so that it would stick better. If you don't really have something, you can use clear eyelash glue or just concealer, and you'll be able to plop that on there nicely. So again, I'm just going to pick it up with my finger. Oh my god, that looks so gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love glitter so much. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Wow. I mean, go all the way off. And then for the bottom, I'm going to use some of Skipper. That was so pretty. I'm going to grab a little bit of my NYX glitter primer and put it on the back of my hand. And I'm going to put Skipper right underneath. I'm just going to kind of mix that and go right here with it. And then I'm going to grab Skipper. I have glitter everywhere, but at least it's gorgeous. And then, oh my gosh, so pretty. Let me get an action. No, I don't need a mirror. It's glitter. Oh wow. I love wearing glitter underneath my eye. Like, it's so pretty. Okay, well, I just have to say, I love the glitters because they come with a lot in it, which I mean, can get messy, but I mean, beautiful. So, I'm also going to top it off with Stacy's Mom, which I got. And then I'm going to put on some eyelashes and say my final thoughts. Stacy's Mom has got it going on. I wouldn't normally wear a color like this, so I actually feel really, really cute. And the glitter looks superb. So I'm gonna throw on some lashes and the look, and I'll be right back. So I really love the look. I think it looks beautiful. And I kind of want to start wearing this level of like glitter all the time. So definitely inspired me to use more glitter in my eyes. Leave a like and comment down below, letting me know what you want to see next time.